Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 8 of the Chevy 3100 build. Today I have the Altman Easy Latches from Trick. I think that's how you say it. But I'm going to be installing those. It's going to make it close a lot nicer, and it's going to be a lot safer with the bear call latches and probably a lot easier to adjust. So I'm going to get those installed. I just have to take the original ones out first. Alright, I got the old latch out and I got the templates all drawn up. They came with templates. I already cut them out. I have them over there for the other side. They work for both sides. But the instructions has pictures, and it also has like a text version. So it's really easy and explained pretty well. So I got the air tool. I'm gonna be just cutting these out. It's gonna be a lot easier with this than a full-size grinder, just because of all the tighter areas. So I'm gonna get that done and then get the new latches on. All right, as you can see, I got everything installed. Got it working good, but overall closing works great. 10 out of 10. But installation, it's like a 6 out of 10 because there was a lot more modifications than they said there would be on the instructions. Right here, probably can't see, there's a bolt going through this hole right here. They gave you a shorter one so that way it doesn't interfere with the plate. Hold on, let me turn the flash on. Alright, so this plate right here that the outside handle catches, if you can, they gave you a shorter bolt so that way it doesn't hit, but it was still hitting, so I had to cut a little bit out. Right there you can see I had to cut a little L shape out, and so that way it at least makes it, because it was hitting that and it wasn't even able to open, so I had to cut that out. This bolt right here for the bottom one, this one, I had to cut that down flush with the nut so it wasn't hitting the rod, and then I had to bend the rod out a little bit right there so that wasn't hitting, because everything was kind of just hitting. When I pulled it, it was catching the top of the rod and it wasn't even opening right there, so I wasn't able to open it from the inside after I got it to open from the outside. But after that, now it closes nice. Oh, I have it closed already. Closes nice now, no slamming. Close the other side so you can see the comparison. Like if I closed it like that, that's still not closed. I have to, and then it can move in and out like that. So from that, and then still having play in it, to coming over here, and then no play. So fitment's definitely a lot better once you get it on, but installation, it could have been designed a little better, but it does work really good once you have it on. So it does say that you're not able to lock it, so you gotta watch out for that. After you install these, you're gonna have to get electric door locks, so I'm gonna have to get some of those, because once you do that, you can't lock it, because if you have one of these trucks, the locking, I took the piece off, but it goes back to lock, but you can't go back because this bend hits right there. And this is actually, I had to cut this out more than the template because it was hitting right there on the rod too. So it's another modification, but I got it done now. So it closes nice, and now I just have to do the other side. All right, thank you for watching. I got both sides in. I'll show you this side too. Same modifications on this side. I had to bend this rod a little bit, and I had to cut down that bolt right there, and I had to cut out a little notch on the latch. But this is nice now. Definitely lines up, still needs some adjustment, but it lines up a lot better than the old ones did. Doesn't go in and out as much. Press is nice. So it'll be a lot quieter once the weather stripping's in. But thanks for watching. I got my wiring harness starting. So, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go follow my Instagram. Link will be down in the description.